Yo. Today I'm with Rukoti here. He's got some driver information for you, the people following us in Bitwenzo TV. Today he's gonna do very magic.
Yes.
My name is Theoden Gahungo. We are delivering information for you. You'll be happy, and we all wishing you new Christmas. My friend here, he's very talented. He's very talented.
Yes.
He's got a very good magic. Today, he gonna give you, the people who following us, you will enjoy. He's wearing a very black pen. Underneath, there is a white pen. To make sure he's not lying us,
Yes.
I will catch his leg. He's gonna put his the pants under what he's wearing. He will turn the under to become on the top of it. And this pen is a white.
Yes.
People who following us, enjoy, and you will see with your eyes, this is a very talented man.
Yes.
People, they are watching here, they can see as well what we are going to do. Today is a very exciting day. Please, we encourage you, we're delivering you the news and the entertainment. Enjoy. This is Ibitwengo TV. Niko nasema leo, mimi niko na mtu tunasaidiana kwa mambo ya mamovie, ya makomedi.
Yes.
Sisi tuko hapa, leo tunawapatia entertainment. Mufurahi sana. Na tena leo, nyinyi wenye kusikia Kiingereza na wenye wanasikia, niko na mtu tunasikiliana hapa. Huyu anaitwa Rukoti. Leo anakita nataka kuwasikiliza. Na tena hiyo kitu mtafurahi sana. Hii mnamuona hapa mnamuona hivi. Leo atakamata hii nguo ya juu,
Hii ya chini
aiweke juu ya hii. Sasa kuiweka juu ya hii, mimi peke yangu kuwaonesha hii ni magic ya ukweli, na nyinyi mshangae. Mimi nitakamata mguu wake wote, kama ni mguu
wa kulia
au wa kushoto. Alafu mtaona hiyo ndio magic. Sasa leo watu wenye wanataka kusikiliza vyenye tunawasikiliza vinawafurahisha sana, mufyonde kwenye iko kwa YouTube, kuna sehemu inaitwa subscribe. Makomedi biti yote binawafurahisha, bitakuja automatic bila fanya kitu chochote. Asanteni sana. Kubarundi batukurikirana uyu munsi dufise umukomedi akomeye cyane ngaha muri Australia.
Rukoti.
Ariwe Rukoti rukotora ruhinda babonye. Vyuma. Akaba ari ngaho uyu munsi agomba kubereka ibiganiro bikomeye abadukurikirana kuri mubandanya mudukurikirane neze bizobakurikira. Uyu munsi rero akaba ari jewe Theogene buhungura abasigaye bagahwera bagakira. Uyu munsi uyu muntu dukorana ngaho umukomedi ariwe Rutoko arahinduriye impuzi. Ayishire hejuru ndayambara. Arayambara impuzi kandi kugira ngo tumekingesha uyu muntu kataduhenda. Ndamufata ukuguru kwa ariko kose mwamaguru abiri. Iyi mpuzu ije hejuru yiyi. Hello. Mudukurikirane rero, abadukurikirana basangiriye bariko baradusangiriya. Ngaha murabona yuko abantu reka bagwiriye.
Namaje kuya.
Reka nibeshi bararondereye ivyo bintu ko bibaho. People are waiting here and they are watching if this is possible from this comedian. Okay, mudukurikirane Ibitwenzo TV ibi ni biratanguye.
Murabibona neza ndafunze mashini. Hanyuma ndagiye kuryama.
Muramubona. Ibikorwa biratanguye. Mudukurikirana bago mufyonda subscribe. Uyo munsi dufise ibikorwa byinshi bikomeye. Dufise akazi kenshi gakomeye. Kenshi gatorotse. Muramubona.
Mwabonye
muramubona. Muramubona.
Iri rero nicyo ngomba
muramubona. Ariko aratwereka he's showing us. He's gonna change this one, the underneath, to become on the top.
Yes.
Nobody can believe this. Myself, I gonna see if this is the possible. Watch him. Mumukurikirane murebe ibintu ko bishoboka. Ibi bintu ko bishobora gushoboka. Mumukurikirane. Turamubona. Ntaduhende. Tumurebe. Nashirema akantu kakatete. Jewe ugiwanje ngira ndamufata ukuguru. Jewe ni kumagiye. Jewe rukoto rureba ibintu rukabikonorora, rukabifata neza. Muramubona. Okay. Namugumije reka mbebe fukame kugira ngo amaso kuyandiga. Amaso kuyande. Ndamufata rukoto ndamufata. Gumya ewe kari. Miya tanu yanje twasezeranye abantu kabutayihinduye nawe twakana mukomeje gufyonda subscribe amiko murakurikirana Ibitwenzo TV. Uyu ni Rutoko. Ganiro byinshi bikomeye mu uyu mwaka. Jewe namugumize Rutoko. Namugumize gahungo ibindi bwasenya bukareba nanyi. Yahindura tukamufata tukamutamande. Mimi mwenyewe hapa muangalie. Tuangalie kweli hii nguo kama itaenda juu ya hii. Mimi nimekamata huyu mtu. Nimeshamkamata.
Wewe kamata mzuri?
Mimi nimekamata mzuri kweli. Watu wanaangalia Ibitwenzo TV. Mudukurikirana tulikumwe n'umukomedi bita Rutoko vyuma. Ariko atwereka magic. Kandi tumukurikirane mudusupportinge kubikorwa dukora. Aha rero mukurikirane murebe ivyo tuko turakora. Namugumije. Bana Ibitwenzo TV ntidusinzira. Amakuru tuguma tuyazana. Tuguma tubereka amakomedi akomeye cyane gose. Tumurebe kabishobora. Turamubona. Mwenye wiva zinyonge. Lolomba huwa. Utarara leo. Lolomba. Wewe rara tu mimi mguu naona. Watu wanatuangalia. Hii kitu kama ni ukiweza magic. Munaona. Mumuangalie sasa. Mumuangalie. Mimi nimekamata mguu wako, watu mmeona, nimekamata mguu. Hakuna jinsi ya kutoa hii. Itoki